prepare our FA2 examination, I hope. Okay, yes. Now we are going with that our revision only. Okay, clear about the students. Yeah. Yeah, tell me all the students how to going on your preparation, and I hope it is a well only. Yeah, if you have any doubts, please ask me. And before going to that, all the students, after take more 1 minute, yes, and after that, I want to give some suggestions to how to attempt the exam and what the precautions you have take at the time of examination. Why? Because these examination, unlike than whatever our previous examinations, like our whatever weekend and whatever FA1 examination. That's why. May you have any particular doubts about how to attempt the exams and how to approach the exam paper, how to approach it is in app, and how to answer it, and after answering what we have to do. Okay, these are the questions may have in your mind. Based on that particular queries only, I want to give some short information to you. Then after, once you go through our whatever the topics are there in FA2, and how to go to prepare on that particular topic also, we have to go to discuss now. Yeah, listen carefully all the students. And first thing, you check once your app is working or not. In your mobile, app is working or not with credentials, whatever the credentials are given, may it is working or not. Sometimes may it is not working because of what, if you are paying in a fee. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Yeah, first listen about examination pattern, and then after we go with the doubt clarification. Listen carefully first. Okay, now. Yes, after completion of this, I want to go for our concepts now. Yeah. May in case you are failing paying of examination, or otherwise you are not taking correct credentials, because of that may app not working. Okay, now that's why first you concentrate on that thing. App is working or not. Okay, now if it is working, okay, now once go through exam tomorrow, there is a given particular, today itself it is a provide some timetable for you at what time you have to attempt your examination. What is the time slot for you for your class examination? Why? Because the class to class time is a varied now. Okay, clear on not all the students? Class to class time is varied. At the same time that the questions may not come, the papers are not come for all the classes. Okay, 10th class is a contain one timetable, 6th class is a contain another timetable, 7th class is a contain another time to write examination. Why? Because our management are thinking about your brothers and sisters also. If at a time the examination is conducted, it is a problem for your brothers and sisters also. Nah? Yes, and that's why only, in case in your home 1 or 2 members are there, more than 1 member is there from our school only, at that time it is a facility to write the examination of a different classes. If in case from one class only more than one member is there in your home, may in the form of a twins or like that. Okay, it may not possible to write examination. Why? Because in one mobile only one exam are open. When one mobile, one exam are only open. At that what time? For the 6th class, we allotted one time. Okay, that may send it through your WhatsApp groups by your principal sir or madam. If it is not reaches to you, once text to me about that. Evening I want to send to you. I want to send to you at evening time. Yes, please text to me to my number. I will send the timetable for you. Timetable and the time. At what time you have to approach to your exam daily for this 6 days. At what time you have to approach to your examination. Why? Because our science classes are coming for you at what time? 12:25 to 1:10. Okay, in that particular time only our science class may come na. In that mode only, in that particular time duration whatever provided for you, in that one only examination also coming for you. Got it? In the other time like our weekend examination, FA2 examination, they come for us what? At whatever the time may I have to possible to write. But these exams are not like that. Yes? And first you attempt, go to that our app and go through that whatever the folder is there, exam folder it will be there now, like you have already written FA2 time. Okay now? Not at same time now. For all the classes, exam is not at same time. The time is different for class to class. 10th class is a contain another time, 6th class is a contain another time, 7th class is a contain another time. Suppose may not it is exactly 10th class is started at 8:30, 6th class is a contain time at 12:25. Like that it will be there. Time is different for different classes, not same for all classes. Okay? Yeah. Now after entering into that exam folder, may it is a contain as FA2, one more folder it will be there. Yes, and in the FA2 only one exam may appear at that particular time for your 6th class. It will be contain up to 45 minutes. In that 45 minutes only you have to attempt. Then after your time may close. Okay, your exam time may close. Suppose it's started at 12 o'clock. It's a 12 to 12:45 only it is appear for you. If after 12:45 you answer it also, there is it is not yet counted. Okay now? And there is a multiple choice questions are there. The 25 multiple choice questions are there. You attempt that multiple choice questions as like quiz. Regularly the quiz option is there in our app now. Like that only you attempt that all the question answers for all the subjects, not only the science, not only the social, not only the maths, for all the subjects you attempt just that question answers. Okay now, question to answer in the mode of multiple choice only. You don't take any writing part. Okay, clear or not all of you? Not at exactly 12:45. Time schedule may given later. I am just taken as example. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yeah, it is like a quiz only, KTS Connect app, otherwise different apps are there now. Okay, different schools are containing different apps, KTS Connect, KTS, TMMS Connect, like that different apps are there. In that one, in the form of a quiz only it will be given. Yes, the time schedule, at what time you have to attempt. Okay, now that will be given by today only. Yes, today evening. Okay, once go through your WhatsApp group. Otherwise, if you not get, once you call, once you text me, what the time to this WhatsApp number. Once you text me, I will send to the timetable for you at what time you have to attempt the examination. Okay, got it? Yeah. After attempting the question and answers, yes, after 45 minutes your result is getting immediately. Yes, your result is get immediately, and when you get the result immediately, clear or not all the students? When you get the result immediately, you take a one screenshot and send to your principal sir or madam. Okay, now send that screenshot to your principal sir or madam. Got it? Got it? I hope you got it. All the students, I hope you got it. After completion of your exam, you compulsory send that screenshot to your principal sir or madam. Why? Because your principal sir or madam are taken, that is into the your progress report. It is a compulsory. Okay, now based on these things only your promotion may treat it. Who are not write this examination, okay, now the promotion may be not get for the next classes. All these exams we are going to conduct essay exam also. We are going to conduct further FA3 also, FA4 also, SA2 also. Okay, now up to May, this academic year, May up to May it will be there. Up to May we are going to conduct this examination. You have to send it, Nana. Why are you not send the marks? You have to send to your principal sir or madam. You get the result immediately. You have to send compulsory. I am not said you don't send marks. You send the marks to your principal sir or madam. The marks immediately will get for you. After completion of your exam, there is submit button will be there. After submit button, automatically you get that marks. That marks screenshot you have to send to your principal sir or madam. That marks are posted in your record, progress record. Automatically, that is only treated as your performance of this particular year. Okay, now without that performances, there is no promotion will be considered. The government is also may have to given. Okay, now within the 4 or 5 days, they are given somewhat circulars about that how do they promote to the next class. Without the online classes, without the this examinations records, without the your homeworks, without the your project work records, may not taken as a promotion. Yes, and last year also you are written somewhat examination, except to annual examination, final examination, you written all the examination last year. Okay, that's why only government is promoted. This time also compulsory. They announced this thing only. They want compulsory. If the school physically running or not, online examinations are compulsory, online classes are compulsory, and as well as your written work submissions physically also compulsory. Okay, now if the physical classes may possible to run or not. Why? Because so many state boards are also taken this decision. Yes, in the Madhya Pradesh and Haryana. In Kerala, somewhat the boards have they taken the decision already. The students compulsory have to submit the records of that particular class. Suppose now you are in a 6th class, you have to submit the record compulsory, whatever work you are completed. Otherwise, may not it is promoted to the next class. Okay, that's why you have to send that whatever the marks are getting in this examination to your principal sir or madam in the form of a screenshot. Got it? This is only about our examination pattern. Okay, any doubts are there? Please ask me once. About examination, you have any doubts? Please send me. Anyone, you have any doubts, Nana? About examination? No doubts? Yeah, you'll get the marks, Nana. In that one compulsory, you'll get the marks. Yes, in the quiz also, you'll get the marks now. Okay, now. మీకు వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ని మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసి పంపించేసేయాలి. వస్తాయి మార్క్స్, వస్తాయి, కంపల్సరీ మార్క్స్ పంపించేయాలి. ఓకే, యా. This is about examination. If you have any queries, then this please send to me. Okay, got it? Yeah. Now there is a what will be going on our lesson. Some particular student are asked somewhat topic. What is the topic? That is table 2, 6th chapter. Yes. Yeah, listen carefully all the students. That is somewhat my students are asked somewhat questions. Please ask any questions sir you have a doubt. Yeah, you have to completion of that. Afterwards you submit the button submit. Yeah, one particular student are asked may ask table 2 in a chapter 6th. Yeah, there is it is in a page number 57 na. Yeah, once to look at that, at the base of the tree, there is a what the animals are there. At the on the trunk of the tree, what the animals are there. Between the branches, what it is there. On or within the leaves, what is there. At the base of the tree, what is there? Ants are there. Somewhat another insects are there. Earthworms are also made there. Okay, clear or not all of you? Snakes are also made. They contain on the base. Okay, clear or not all the students? So many things are there inside at that base only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Somewhat may not climbing on the tree, climbing ready to climb on the tree. That's why they are stay at the base only. The base is taken the base is as a tree habitat. That is make cockroaches are also there. Okay, clear or not all the students? And on the trunk there is somewhat small plants are also may contain on the trunks. Okay, clear? And as well as somewhat like a parrots, otherwise hand picker. Okay, clear or not all of you? Like that they make some holes to that trunk and they are leaving that particular trunks also, some particular birds. Okay, clear or not all the students? They are also taken as a habitat. And as well as between the branches, there is so many things are there. So many animals are between the branches, like monkeys, sometimes leopard also. Okay, clear or not all of you? Between the branches, so many animals which are wanted to jump from one tree to the another tree. Somewhat birds between the branches only they form their constructed their nets and they live in that particular branches. Yes, like that. On or within the leaves. On or within the leaves like a caterpillars, somewhat ants, somewhat insects, somewhat bacteria and virus. Okay, they are the leaves, they are living. Okay, what the type of animals may living on the particular part of the tree. Different parts are there in the tree and which part it will be work as a habitat for that particular animals. Okay, that is only that question answer. Any more doubts? Yeah, squirrels are moving throughout the tree, but they are not taken the habitat, nothing but not taken a shelter on the tree. Okay, they are taken the shelter below the tree only, nothing but base of the tree only. They taken for food. For food, they move towards the branches and the leaves and as well as the fruits. Okay, like that. Clear? Any more doubts are there for you about that lesson of 5 and 6? Already we have completed that fifth lesson revision and sixth lesson revision also. In the sixth lesson, there is a different habitats are there. Okay, now about the table 1, there is a what is the types of habitats? There is a what? The table 1, there is under the ground, on the ground, in the water, on the water, like that places are given. On that different habitats, what the type of animals are living, and as well as there is a what about the migration of animals are also important now. Okay, clear on all of you. Migrations of animals are also important, and how they migrated from one place to the another place, you know very well. Okay, now that is also very very important. And come to here separation of substances. Okay, now that is only we are not discussed. Yes, and in that especially first thing may ask based on a mixture, which one is called mixture. Okay, now yes, the following is a mixture or not, like the questions may ask for you. Okay, now yes, otherwise may give in somewhat situations. Okay, clear or not all the students? Small stones are mixed with the rice. The following separation technique may used for the separated the stones from the rice. Which one? Hand picking and winnowing, filtering or seeing. Okay, small stones are there. Very small stones. It may not able to see at that time. Yeah, we are going to the seeing now. Okay, now yes, may the colors are different, otherwise somewhat a big stones which is able to see at that time they are by using hand picking. Clear or not? There is our sieving, filtering and hand picking. Somewhat clarities are not may get for you, I hope. There is what everyone is useful for in that. Hand picking is also possible to separate the stone from the rice. But very small stones, when they mention very small stones, not able to see. At that time, you have to take answer as a seeing only. Why? Because the rice are passes through that. Okay, now the rice are may remain on that particular small hole. They not passes through the small hole. Otherwise, may the small hole may passes through that all the small stones when you take a sieving. Okay, when you take a sieve. Like that, there is may questions or may confuses more questions are also may came for you. Okay, clear or not all the students? Coming for you. And as well as there is a two types of mixtures are there. Just a minute, one student may ask one question. Sir, birds also build their nests in our in our house also. That is that's why only our house is a habitat. Okay, clear or not all the students? Our house is also called habitat, but all the birds are not taken the nest now. Okay, clear? There is a like a crown or otherwise like a different. There is a small like a what sparrows. These are only may constructed their whatever nest. Okay, clear or not? Every bird is not taken that nest is on our house na? And as well as house is also called habitat, you know very well. Yes, the house is also give the shelter to the so many things, so many animals and plants. Yes. Then one more doubt from one student. Table 2 in 7th lesson. Yeah, the table 2 in the 7th lesson, what they are given? Mixture and substance, natural or man-made. You know very well. There is a mixtures are two types. One is a natural, another one is a man-made. Naturally, only they mixed in our environment. Okay, we are not mixed that things. But sometimes we are mixed sometimes with one another. Suppose milk. Milk naturally Okay, not mixed, not contain a water, but we added the milk for the preparation of the tea or for the preparation of the curd purpose. We added the water with the water to milk now. That is called man-made mixture. Okay, clear not all of you? Naturally, milk is a mixture or not? Yeah, it is also contains some solid substance inside it also in the form of a proteins and fats like that. That's why it is a mixture, but it is a natural mixture. Okay, clear or not all the students? Okay, and water, which water? There is a river water. It is a mixture. It is a natural mixture. It is not made by the man. Okay, clear or not all of you? Somewhat natural mixtures are there, somewhat. Okay, now yes, man-made mixtures are also there, like that. Suppose you take a lemon water, lemon, juice, sugar, water. It is a man-made mixture. Okay, clear or not all of you? And here there is a soil. It is a natural mixture. Okay, now the salt, which is made from okay, now yes, sea water. It is contains so many impurities. That's why it is called what natural mixture only. Okay, like that, so many natural mixtures are there, and as well as which is man-made. Man is involved to prepare that mixture. That is only called man-made mixture. That is only you have to write here in the table 2, not completed. There is a mixture. You write the mixture name and as well as what the substance is, natural or otherwise it is a man-made. Sir, filter water is a man-made or natural? Filter water is a man-made. Filter water means man-made. Water is a contain so many minerals inside it. It is a naturally the mixed here. It is a man-made mixture only, filter water. Turmeric powder and red chilli. Turmeric powder, it is what? It is not a contain any mixture, no? It is only contain turmeric powder only. That is an individual substance only. It is not called mixture. When we added the turmeric powder with the red chilli, that is called what actually mixture. It is a man-made mixture. They never become one is combined with another one. Clear or not? Okay, without a mixing of man, the turmeric powder and red chilli is not mixed. Na? Yeah. Any more doubts like this? Interesting doubts are came from students. Anyone? Yeah, like that only there is what how to use the separation of the separation purpose, mixture separation purpose. We are also used water also. How we use that water? Okay, water have a property of the float the material or sink the material. Based on this floating and sinking, we are going to separate our mixtures. Clear or not all students? Yes, in case it is lighter than the water, it will be yes floated on the water. In case it is heavier than the water, it is a sink in the water. Based on this property only, we are going to separate that our substances. Got it? And next one. Yeah. The next conceptation, it is what? Winnowing. It is a natural manner. Soil is a natural mixture only. Soil is a natural mixture only. You have in our textbook. Yeah, when it comes to winnowing, in the winnowing also somewhat doubts are getting for you. In the winnowing, there is about all the particles may not possible to separate. Okay, now which one? Based on winnowing is working on based on which principle? The winnowing separation technique is working based on following principle: separation of smaller from bigger. Okay, now separation of color based, separation of heavier and lighter based. Okay, now and none of these. The answer is separation of based on heavier and lighter based on the what? Air pressure, air force. Air force is working on a material. Automatically the heavier one may fall some particular place and lighter one may go away from that particular place because of air pressure in the winnowing process. You know very well about this. And the next to come to here, sedimentation and declination. Yes, sedimentation and declination means what? Some particles are going into the bottom of the liquid. When solids or otherwise some substances are mixed with the water, may there what actually, how the husk is removed from the grain by because winnowing. Which process? Winnowing process, or otherwise winnowing process only. Okay, clear. And the next one is the what? Sedimentation. Sedimentation is nothing but what? When we are added somewhat heavier substance to the liquid, they are dip in the water and they go bottom at the place of the particular solution. That is only called sediment particles. Okay, now the soil is a sediment when it is added with the liquid, water like the things. That's why that is only called sediment. That process is called sedimentation. So the sedimentation things are separated from the liquids by using the declination. Declination means what? Like that questions may come for you. What is the declination? Otherwise the following is not a declination. Otherwise the following is not a sedimentation. Like that the question may come for you. Okay, now the tea powder is separated from the tea. Okay, now the tea powder is separated from the tea. Which process you have to take for it? Okay, clear or not all the students? Insoluble things, whatever the not solvable things are there in that particular substance, by incline that bowl or container, yes, and remove the liquid, the remaining things only remain in that at bottom. That is only called sedimentation. Why you are fear about this examination? If your preparation is proper, you not get any fear. First you prepare, and don't fear about that examination. What is going on in your examination? Yes, if you are prepared good, you get the good marks. Otherwise, you get the bad marks. Okay, now if any impossibilities are there, you try for next time for your good marks, getting for good marks. If you have time now, then why you are fear about that? It's a very easy lessons. Okay, your examinations are very easy only. Don't fear about them. Yeah, now there is a go through our next concept, that is only crystallization. You know very well how to get the salt. Okay, because of crystallization only you will get for us. How the crystallization? In the crystallization, which process involved? Evaporation process involved. The question may ask from that one also. Okay, now because of evaporation only some solids are remain. Okay, now yes, from the liquid some solids are getting because of evaporation. This is the which process? The crystallization and sedimentation, or otherwise the chromatization. Like that they may ask. Okay, clear or not all of you? And distillation. Okay, now after the evaporation, whatever the pure liquids are collected, that is only called distillation. Okay, clear or not all of you? Afterwards, there is after evaporation that become cool down, again it will be converted as a liquid. That is only called distillation. You know very well about the distillation. The next come to here, chromatization. Chromatization is a very important concept for you. There is about a chalk piece. When you take a chalk piece and added the ink mark on the chalk piece, and it is stay somewhat, it is putting somewhat water. Okay, automatically that the color components are spread through the throughout chalk piece. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, where there is a concentration of the particles are low. Okay, now there is a word that moves towards the high concentration side also. That is only, yes, especially for the color purpose we are taken. That is only chromatization. Okay, clear or not all the students? What is the substance of a soil? Okay, soil is a mixture. Okay, what is the substance? It is a mixture. Soil is a mixture. It will be contain the dust. It will be contain somewhat magnetic particles. It will be contain somewhat material. Okay, now so many things are there. That's why it is called a mixture. Okay, clear. And last concept in that our separation of substances. That is for that. Sometimes by using one separation technique only, it is not possible to separate the mixture as a substances. At that time, we take help of more than one separation techniques. What is that separation techniques? That is a very important. Got it? Okay, now, yes, suppose we want to separate the totally. Okay, we want to separate the tea and tea powder. Okay, now, what are the type of the things we are taking? Okay, clear about all of you? Yes, otherwise you take there is a what we want to separate the salt from the salt water. Okay, yes, initially we want to add the salt, we prepare the salt water, then after we have to separate the salt water. In that one, there is what we have to use more than one separation techniques or not. When we add the salt water, okay now, yes, we want to make the salt water, we add the salt water to the salt at that time, there is we want again melt it inside it after declination, after the sediment it is, in case anything is a sediment, we are mixed with it, afterwards we heat it, become as a crystallization process like that. How many processes we are using? 3 processes are used. Okay, in this way only there is a for the making of a mixture, for the separation of the mixture substances, we are using sometimes more than the one substances, more than the one substance separation techniques. How it is and what the separation techniques are may used in that one, more than one. Okay, and that may also ask in your examination. Okay, don't fear about your examination, students, and it is a very easy. And if you have any problem in the attemptation of examination, once text me, I will solve you. Okay, na, but you compulsory follow the times. Okay, na, don't yes neglect. Yes, may it is possible to write any time or any time like before whatever examinations are going on. Okay, na, yes, don't make like that. You compulsory alert about your examination paper to reach you, and you ready to attempt that question paper. Up to that you become alert. Afterward you answer the questions and submit. Without the submission also there is no use. Submit that every answer and then you will get it. Okay, now, yes, it's easy process only. If you have any doubt, please post to your text to my WhatsApp number. I will clarify. Okay, thank you students. Bye, take care and read well, and I hope we'll meet again after completion of our examination. Thank you. Bye, take care. Yeah, in the soil there is a bacteria also there. Okay. If any more you have any doubt, please ask me. I want to close the class.